At Apple, our mission has always been to turn the potential of advanced technology into helpful and intuitive products for everyone. This has been true since the dawn of personal computing, and it's never been more important than today. We believe that truly helpful AI must be centered around you and your needs. This means integrating AI deep into the products you use every day, grounding it in your personal context and the apps you rely on, and of course, designing it with privacy at every step. This is our vision for Apple Intelligence. And today, we're taking a big step forward with the next generation of Apple Intelligence that makes your Apple products more personal and useful. We'll tell you about its bold new architecture, how it unlocks an entirely new Siri that's much more responsive to your needs, and how it makes your apps smarter and more useful. So let's get started with our new architecture. It's centered around you and the Apple products that you use every day. And at the heart of Apple Intelligence are Apple Foundation models. This year, we embarked on a deep collaboration with Google, leveraging the technologies behind their Gemini family of models. Together, we created the next generation of Apple Foundation models for our integrated Apple Intelligence experiences, and adapted these new models to run on-device and on servers using private cloud compute. These powerful server and on-device models unlock a huge upgrade for Apple Intelligence, with state-of-the-art understanding and reasoning and multiple modalities, like powerful image understanding and generation, so you can create realistic images, edit photos like never before, and get answers about visual content. And we went further, optimizing for the most capable of our Apple Silicon systems with a second, even more powerful version of our on-device model. This model lets supported products understand and generate speech, along with understanding text and images. And it delivers even higher accuracy for system-wide dictation, better natural language understanding, and incredibly expressive voices. Next, we integrated our models deeply into our platforms, enabling a wide range of system-wide capabilities. And Apple Intelligence securely coordinates across them with a new system orchestrator. These capabilities start with personal context understanding. Whether you're looking at a photo from years ago or a note you took recently, you can find what you're looking for just by asking. Behind the scenes, Apple Intelligence uses Spotlight and its powerful semantic index, which quickly surfaces what you need in the moment. And it works with any app that integrates with it. Plus, with broad world knowledge, Apple Intelligence can go out to the web to get up-to-date information, then use private cloud compute to generate an answer, whether you're researching for school or brainstorming for a party. And with App Actions, Apple Intelligence can draw on the app toolbox to find the right tools from your apps to complete your request. Like when you're drafting an email from scratch or editing and sharing a set of photos. Finally, with on-screen awareness, Apple Intelligence can tailor its assistance in the moment based on the app you're using and what you're doing. This powerful new architecture unlocks a wide range of helpful experiences, from an all-new Siri to intelligent features across your most used apps. And because they're available system-wide, they're even more useful for the things you do every day. Of course, like everything we do at Apple, this architecture is built privacy first. Today, many AI providers talk about privacy, but by default, most of them retain your personal interactions, leaving the onus on you to defend your privacy. Like using temporary chats, deleting conversations, or even turning off entire features. At Apple, we believe privacy in AI is non-negotiable. Apple Intelligence uses on-device processing, as well as private cloud compute, which ensures your data is not stored or accessible to Apple or anyone else. Your data is only used to execute your request, and outside experts can continue to verify this promise at any time. Now, we're excited to show you all the ways that Apple Intelligence elevates your Apple products, starting with an all-new Siri. To tell you more, here's Mike.
Siri is the personal assistant that helps you get things done just by asking. Still, we know there are times when you expect more from Siri. So we've rebuilt Siri with powerful AI at the core. And today, we're introducing an entirely new version of Siri, unlocked by Apple Intelligence. We call it Siri AI. Siri AI uses our new Apple Intelligence capabilities, and you can tap into them in the same ways you access Siri today, like by saying, "Hey Siri." This includes personal context understanding, app actions, on-screen awareness, image understanding, and access to broad world knowledge. So Siri is now a profoundly more capable assistant that helps you find what you need and gets more done. It's also more conversational, so you can go back and forth like never before and get detailed, engaging answers. As you have these rich conversations, you can refer back to them with a new dedicated Siri app. And not only that, now Siri offers helpful visual intelligence across platforms, along with integrated tools so you can write and edit with Siri virtually anywhere you type. As you get more done with Siri, you'll notice how it looks fluid and intuitive with a brand new design that reflects the power of Apple Intelligence. Let's take a closer look, starting with how Siri is a much more capable assistant. I want to get right into it and show you a few things that you can now do with Siri in your day-to-day. Let's start with something simple but super useful. Say you heard about a local concert. When's that Suki Waterhouse show in SF? Siri can draw on current world knowledge to ground its answers to your questions. Okay, looks like the concert is on July 26th. How can I get tickets? Okay, you have to enter a lottery to get the tickets. Remind me to sign up when the lottery opens. Okay, got a reminder. Now let's hear one of her new singles. Reminders, music, the things you'd expect Siri to do, but now that much more capable.
I've been lying in a bathtub till I'm
Next, let's see how Siri can use awareness of what's on your screen. Where is this exactly? Here, Siri can identify the location of this beautiful shot along the Santa Cruz coast. Oh, cool. Natural Bridges State Beach. My friend recently moved somewhere around there. I wonder if he's nearby. Where's Jeff's new place? I remember he sent his new address, but I really actually don't know where it is, and I certainly didn't save it anywhere. But Siri can just find it for me. Nice. So if I was being spontaneous, I could say, "Give me directions to the Arch with a stop at Jeff's." With a little world knowledge and some personal context, Siri's pulling it all together. And there you go, my route, just like that. Let me show you one more example of Siri helping me to get something done using my personal context. Show me photos from up in Shasta last weekend. Siri is searching through my photos to find the ones from my family's recent ranch trip. Let's see. Okay, that's a lot of cows. Add just the ones with Bryce, Madison, and Quinn to our shared family album. So without having to go into the Photos app at all, Siri can help me find just the photos I had in mind. All right, those are awesome. And share them with the whole family, easy as that. These are just a few of the ways that Siri AI is much more capable. For products that support our most advanced on-device model, we have two enhancements that are really useful throughout your day. First, a brand new voice experience that enables Siri to sound incredible and a lot more expressive. Just listen.
Jaws said, "Team, these apricots are peak. Have they always been this good? Why has no one told me? I'm telling you, man, I've been changed. Clear the fridge. No, clear all the fridges."
On it, Jaws. And you can customize Siri's voice like never before, adjusting expressivity and pace until it clicks.
Hi, let's find the right voice for you. I'll practice some things I like to say while you listen. Let me try this one out. You have one new message. Here's another one. Your timer is set for 1 minute. Now for some directions. At the next stop sign, turn right.
Plus, we're making a big update to system-wide dictation with a major boost in accuracy. It's much more precise in capturing what you say, from spelling to punctuation and capitalization. And because it's built right into the keyboard, you can use it across the system, whether you're texting the group chat while you're on the subway or thinking out loud while using your journaling app. All these updates to Siri extend to CarPlay as well as AirPods. And that's far from all. We're going even further. Here's Justin to tell you more.
We're enabling Siri to be much more conversational, so it gives you richer answers and gets more done for you. This goes well beyond quick questions or one-shot tasks. With Siri AI, you can ask for an in-depth plan, go back and forth during a creative brainstorm, get feedback on a document, and so much more. And this capability is available to you system-wide. Plus, we've tailored this experience for each platform. On iOS, you can swipe down from the dynamic island to search, or to start a conversation with Siri by typing. And of course, you can say, "Hey Siri," or use the side button to get an in-depth answer. Let me show you. I'm excited to watch the World Cup. Let me ask, what's the schedule for opening weekend of the World Cup? There we go, there's the schedule. Now check this out. I can pull down at the bottom, and I'm in a brand new conversational experience with a lot more information. This Brazil versus Morocco match would be great for a watch party. I want to plan a watch party for the Brazil versus Morocco match. Give me iconic dishes from both countries. And here we go. Now check this out. Siri even included images. This is great. I would love to make tagine. Now I know my daughter would like to contribute one of her creations to this feast. What was that dessert Maria mentioned recently? Siri's searching across my phone. And pulled her message right into the conversation. Oh, coconut cookies. Sounds amazing. Now let's bring this all together. Bring these together for a one-of-a-kind menu for my watch party. Okay, let's see what Siri cooked up. Oh, I love the playful names here. This looks awesome. And Maria's coconut cookies are included here for dessert. I can refine this menu further with Siri or ask it to provide me recipes for these dishes. But for now, let's get some friends in on the plan. Send a message to the Gold Chasers group chat, asking if they're up for a watch party. Include the menu. All right, let's see. Siri called out the game. I can scroll through. I can edit this if I want. This looks perfect. Let's send it. There we go, done. So as you just saw, Siri used this world knowledge, helped find personal content, and collaborated with me to land on a super original menu for the party. Now let's talk about Siri on macOS. It offers a conversational experience that's just right for the larger display. And you can tap into it from anywhere across your Mac, because we're integrating Siri into Spotlight. Spotlight is already where you go to find your apps, files, and more. And now, it helps you find answers to your questions too. You can also kick off a conversation with system-wide context menus. Just Control-click to ask Siri about images, files, or text. Let me give you a closer look.